In this video, we're going to solve systems of three equations and three variables. And they give us these three equations, and they want us to find the order triple that satisfies these three equations. Now, I'm going to use elimination to do this. And basically, when I use elimination to do this, I'm going to label the equations 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to use the first equation and the second equation, and I'm going to cancel out a specific variable. And then I'm going to use the first equation and the third equation and cancel out the same variable. So I'm going to say 1 and 2 here, and I'm going to cancel. And it doesn't matter which one you pick. I'm going to say cancel x. So I'm going to cancel x first. And then over here, I'm going to do 1 and 3. And I'm also going to cancel x. So I'm going to write down the equations. Negative x minus 2y plus 3z equal 1. And negative 2x minus 3y plus 2z equals 13. And do the same thing here with the 1 and the 3. So write the two equations down. And once I've written those down, I'm going to start canceling the x. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by negative 2 to make sure that they're opposite signed. And I'm going to rewrite it below. So that would be 2x plus 4y minus 6z equals negative 2. And then I'll just kind of cross this out lightly so that I don't get confused. And I'm going to add these together. And that'll be 0, that's y. And then minus 4z equals 11. Now I'll do the same thing here, canceling the x. I'm going to multiply this one by the top equation by negative 4, so I get opposite signs. That's 4x plus 8y minus 12z equals negative 4. And then I'll lightly cross it out. Add those together, you get 9y minus 14z equals 11. Now I'm going to go ahead and take these two equations. I'm going to cancel a variable. I'm going to cancel y this time. So I'm just going to put these two together, and I'm going to say cancel the y value. So that'll be y minus 4z equals 11 over 9y minus 14z equals 11. I'm going to multiply the top equation by negative 9, and that'll be negative 9y plus 36z equals negative 99. And then I'm going to add these together. Slide up just a little bit. When I add those together, I get 0 for the y's. I get, that would be 22z equals negative 88. So I divide by 22 on each side. And I get z equals negative 4. Now, I want to take that z and then find out y because I can use either one of these equations. Let's use the left one. It looks easiest to work with. So we would say y minus 4 times negative 4 equals 11. So you get y plus 16 equals 11. Subtract the 16 over, and you get y equals negative 5. So now I have two variables. I've got y is negative 5, and I got z is negative 4. I can come back to one of these original equations and go ahead and figure out what the x value would be. So let's take the top equation, and we'll write negative x minus 2 times the y value, which is negative 5, plus 3 times the z value, which is negative 4, equals 1. And that'll give you negative x plus 10 minus 12 equals 1. So I get negative x minus 2 equals 1. Let's add the 2 over. So I get negative x equals 3. And divide by a negative, and x would equal negative 3. So my solution would be negative 3, negative 5, negative 4 is the solution to the system.